I'm Rylee with Gabrus Landscaping. My position is the Routed Services Division Manager. I have been here for 13 years. So my main role here at Gabrus Landscaping is to manage all of the routes. So I'm managing the lawn care services, the application services, irrigation services, snow removal, and holiday lighting. I have an associate's in business from OTC. I'm a licensed pesticide applicator. I'm an ASSE and DNR certified backflow tester here in Missouri. Ran the mowing around for around 4 to 5 years and then transitioned into chemical applications. I did that for about the same amount of time, and then more recently transitioned into irrigation technician. And then from that point on, I started managing all of those crews. So hobbies and interest, I do like to go out to the creeks, get in the water, spend a little bit of time in nature. That's always fun. And on the flip side of things, I also do enjoy being at home, just kind of doing nothing, watching some TV. That's always a good time. I've got a dog named Obi. He's a lot of work. I like to play disc golf, regular golf, if I can actually get the time to go do it. Yeah, so that's about all there is to know about me.
Rylee Arnold, Routed Services Division Manager.
Wow.